Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing something a little bit nicer than we've usually been unboxing. Of course, this is the M1 MacBook Pro, if you did not already know, because if you didn't read the title, I don't know, what are you doing? I'm going to unbox this. This is my first time unboxing a MacBook, by the way. I don't really have a good setup for unboxing videos. I don't have like a top-down camera and stuff. Maybe that'll be coming soon. Maybe if you guys get this channel to 1,000 subscribers, I can afford to get something to point down, then yeah, I'll get something. I'm just gonna unbox it right now because I'm tired of waiting. So here we go. Peel it off. Here we go. I was going to get the MacBook Air, and I heard that one's pretty good, or really good, obviously, but this was at a discount price, so I figured instead of that, well, we're gonna get this. So this is, of course, the base model MacBook Pro. So anyway, here we go. Lift up the magical experience. And okay, you could take your time as it's a little bit off, or a little bit off the table surface, so it's sliding down right now. You can't really tell, that's why I'm explaining it. And any minute now, there it is. Okay, here we go. I don't know how thin this is gonna be. I know it's thinner than this thing, and this thing is pretty thin. Wow, this is really thin. And here it is. It's kind of light reflecting it, but you can see it's that. It looks really nice. Okay, before we do that, because of course before we get to the exciting part, I gotta set that down on there. We got the cord, and this cord is USB-C to USB-C, obviously, as you can see right there. As USB-C can see. So here is the paperwork that it comes with. Very nice little thing. I don't think I'm ever gonna use any of that. And then we got the power brick. Now this is a bigger power brick than the M1 MacBook Air comes with, whatever. So let's set that aside right there. You don't really need the box right now, but I am going to put this back in there, and I will put this back in there, sure, why not? Okay, now for the computer itself. Here we go, here it is. You can't really tell, it's kind of like, you know, you can't really see the Apple logo because the light. See if I turn it. That's a little bit better. Alright, so open it up. Well, first we gotta unwrap it first. Okay, tear that off. Oh, it's so nice. Alright, now take off the rest of the plastic if I can. There we go. And then pick it up. This thing is really thin. Okay, there we go. And there it is. Well, that's a lot thinner than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be a little bit thicker. There it is. And that is really small. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. Like, I thought it was gonna take up, like, well, obviously, I knew it wasn't gonna take up the whole desk, but I thought it would be, like, a little bit bigger. But that's good. That's really good that it's smaller. And this thing right here, there we go. Yeah, like, see this is the iPad Pro 11-inch, and it's, like, a little bit smaller than that. I mean, with the Apple Pencil, it's, like, almost as wide. Got the MacBook here, and I know it turns on like right away when I open it, so I'm gonna move this off to the side. Here we go. Oh, came off. There it is. Alright, this is the little okay. Yes. The touch bar. People don't like the touch bar, and I think I'm going to... This setup is dangerous. I think I'm gonna really like this touch bar. It's like a little screen.
Contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape key.
Okay. The touch bar is like a little thing that shows like custom icons and stuff where you can do stuff, and I think I'm gonna really like that, especially for editing videos. I'm gonna type in my stuff, and then I'll get back to you whenever it's fully set up. Alright, so I'm done setting it up, and wow, there is a lot to see here. So we got the touch bar here. Let me do a little side video. So we got the MacBook here, MacBook Pro here, and look at that, the touch bar. Now I can customize this, and I haven't customized it yet, obviously. I'd like this to be like the thing. I don't know where. There it is. This. I would like it to be this. I don't know if the launch pad. I don't know if it could be on there. Use the Touch ID. That was pretty cool. Set that up. 2 USB-C ports. And a headphone jack on the other side. Right there, headphone jack. So this is gonna be a really cool computer. So that's it for this video, unboxing the MacBook Pro, the M1. If you have any questions about it, let me know and I will answer your questions as soon as possible. Make sure you subscribe so we can get to 1,000 subscribers. Or more, or 10,000. How about you guys subscribe so we can get to 1 million subscribers. Alright, 1 million subscribers by the end of the year. Come on guys, you can do it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next video. Bye.